Find hands and knees. Place your palms beneath your shoulders, knees directly beneath your hips. See that your toes are pointing straight back in line with your knees. Find a long spine. Scoop the belly in towards the back. Feel the chest and hips moving away from each other evenly, lengthening the torso. Inhale, lift the hips up and back. Sweep the chest forward and the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, round the spine. Draw the navel in. Tuck the tailbone, tuck the head. Inhale, open along the chest, lift the hips up and back. Exhale, scoop the belly in, round the back, tuck the chin, tuck the tailbone. Inhale, open along the collarbones, lift the hips, but keep the navel drawing in to protect the low back. Exhale, round the spine, scoop the belly in towards the back. Inhale, open the chest, lift the hips, lift the navel. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, find a flat back. Scoop the belly in up towards the back. Press the shoulders back towards your hips. Reach the chest forward. Lengthen the sides of the waist. Inhale the right leg up. Flex the foot. See that the toes are pointing straight down. Reach through the inner heel of the right leg. Lower the right hip in line with the left hip. Inhale the left fingertips up. Lengthen through the left arm. Reach forward through the left fingertips. Reach back through the right heel. Drop the right hip. See that both hips are squared to the mat. Scoop the belly up towards your back. Take the curve out of the low back. Reach in opposite directions. Exhale, elbow to knee, round the spine. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee, round the spine, draw the belly in. Inhale, reach in opposite directions. Exhale, plant the palm down, plant the knee down. Inhale the left leg up. Flex the foot. See that the toes are pointing straight down. And draw the left hip down in line with the right hip. Inhale, sweep the right arm up and reach through the right fingertips. Take the curve out of the low back by scooping the low belly in towards your back. Reach through the inner heel of the left foot. Firm the left thigh. Keep both hips square to the mat. Reach the right fingertips forward, but keep both shoulder blades in towards the spine and down towards the hips. Exhale, round the back, bring the elbow to the knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee, round the spine. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower the palm down, plant the back knee down. Press into your palms and step your feet back to plank. See that your heels are above your toe mounds. Your shoulders are above your wrists. Scoop the belly up towards your back. Firm the thighs and reach back through your heels. Reach the chest forward. Roll the inner thighs up. Drop the sit bones towards your heels, lengthening the fronts of the thighs. Reach back through the heels. Reach forward through the chest. Exhale, shift your weight forward, bend your elbows straight back, skimming the ribs, lower all the way onto the floor. Lengthen the tops of the legs along the ground. Press the top of all 10 toenails against the floor. Press the hip points against the floor. Inhale, peel the chest up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, peel the chest up. Press the hip points down. Press the tops of the toes down. Stay here and lift the palms off the floor. Use your upper back to lift the chest. Exhale, lower down. See that your palms are by your low ribs. Draw the shoulder blades in and down. Lift the navel. Bend both knees and cross the legs at the ankles. Press the pubic bone into the floor. Inhale. Exhale, push up in one straight line to half plank. Exhale, lower the toes down, lift the hips up to downward facing dog. Inhale, forward into plank. Reach the chest forward, heels back. Scoop the belly up into the back. And draw the tailbone down towards your heels. Scooping in the low belly, lift the hips up and back. Exhale to downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward into plank. Keep the belly firming in towards the back. Feel yourself reaching in opposite directions. Crown of the head reaching forward, heels reaching back. Scoop the low belly in to lift the hips up and back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, shift forward to plank. Scoop the belly in and lengthen in opposite directions. Draw the belly in to lift the hips up and back, exhaling to downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg up. Keep the hips level, foot is flexed, toes pointing down. Scoop the belly in, exhale, bring the knee to your nose, curl the spine. Inhale, press back. Exhale, scoop the belly in, bring the knee to the nose, the shoulders over the wrists. Inhale, press back. Exhale, knee to nose, shoulders over wrists. Inhale, press back. Exhale, bring the knee to the outside of the right elbow. Inhale, press back. Exhale, cross the knee to the outside of your left elbow. Inhale, press back. Exhale, knee to nose. Stay here as you inhale. Exhale, plant the right foot by the right thumb. Plant the left heel down. Reach through the left fingertips to cartwheel open to warrior two. Lengthen your stance so that your right knee is above the ankle and is tracking over the second and third toe of your right foot. Press the right foot forward and the left foot back. Think of stretching the mat apart with your feet. Press into the big toe and heel of the front foot, and press into the outer edge of the back foot. Stretch your mat apart. Inhale and lift up through the pelvic floor. Lift the navel up. Lift the chest. And release the tailbone as you press into your feet. Open the right palm to the sky. Inhale, reverse warrior. Stay here as you exhale, reaching up and back. Lengthen as you inhale and exhale, side angle. Bring the right elbow to the right knee and reach the left fingertips up to the sky. Draw the navel in and up and draw the tailbone to your back heel. Revolve your left arm from within the shoulder so that the palm faces the front of your mat, and then draw the arm alongside your ear. Press into the outer edge of the left foot and firm through the outer edge of your body through your fingertips. Revolve the chest by drawing the navel in more. Stay lifted in the right shoulder. Inhale, come up to warrior two. Exhale, lengthen your front leg and heel toe the back foot in slightly. Firm both quadriceps. Suck the thighs up into the hip sockets. Press into the big toe of the right foot and the outer edge of the left foot. Wrap the left hip back and down. Inhale, reach forward and up, lengthening the right side of the waist. Exhale, cartwheel the arms to 12 and 6 o'clock. Reach the fingertips away from each other. Broaden along the collarbones. Once again, lift the navel in and up and use this action to open the chest to the sky. Revolve the rib cage. Gaze at your left fingertips. Keep drawing the hip back. Keep lifting the kneecaps. Feel the left side of the waist holding the body up. Press the back of the right hand against your shin. Reach up through the left fingertips and draw the tailbone down towards your back heel. Inhale, pull yourself back up to warrior two. Exhale, plant the hands down, find runner's stretch. Be high on the fingertips. Reach back through the left heel. Scoop the belly in towards your back and off of your right thigh. Reach the chest forward. Draw the left hip down and forward. Draw the right hip back. Step your left foot out slightly to the side. Plant the back heel down. Inhale, sweep the arms up to warrior one. Square the hips to the front of your mat, drawing the left hip forward, the right hip back. See that your back foot is angled in at about a 45-degree angle. Draw the tailbone down, lift the chest, and work towards bending the knee over the ankle. For many of us, the knee will be slightly away from the ankle. Work on squaring the hips. The bend will increase over time. Exhale the hands to your hips. Take the palms against your sacrum, fingers pointing down. Press the palms against the hips, lift the chest. Press the hips forward. Feel the stretch increase in your back thigh. Perhaps bend a little deeper in the right knee. Draw the navel in. Lean the chest back. Keeping the belly scooping in towards the back, inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Lean back and feel the abdomen catch you. Exhale, bring the palms to heart center. Bend a little deeper into the front knee and step your way forward into warrior three. Lift your left leg. Flex the foot and have the toes pointing straight down towards the floor. Drop the left hip in line with the right. Scoop the belly in towards your back, taking the curve out of the low back. Reach through the inner part of the left heel. If stable here, reach the arms forward. Draw the arms up alongside the ears and lengthen forward through the crown of the head, lengthen back through the inner part of the left heel. Keep dropping the left hip. Keep